Many of you have seen my video of sourdough flour tortillas. That is a great and easy recipe to have fresh tortillas ready in no time. I will post the link to the recipe in the comments section if you are interested in making great tortillas. If you plan on trying out this recipe, check the list of the ingredients in the comment section of the video or my website, because I made a mistake on the video with the amount of buttermilk. But I want to thank each and every one of you for your comments and good feedback on that video and that recipe. At the end of the video, I'll quickly show you how I was making a simple taco with my special green sauce. So in one of the comments of that video, Brian Belisario wrote, "We are ready for your salsa videos as well." So here's my video of the salsa verde that I use with many of my recipes. Get at least 12 tomatillos or Mexican green tomatoes of about this size. To wash them, first peel off the outer skin. As you see, these are not unripe tomatoes. These are tomatillos, and you can find them at most supermarkets in the United States. Once you peel them off, wash them well, and they will be ready to be eaten raw or cooked. Wash a couple of serrano peppers. If you want a very mild salsa, use only one pepper. You can use jalapeno peppers too, but I prefer the flavor of these peppers on this sauce. Get a good sized cilantro bunch and wash it very well to remove all the remainings of dirt. Now get a medium-sized onion and cut it in 2 pieces. Keep one piece for later and chop the other piece in big pieces. Cut your tomatillos in 4 equal pieces and put them aside. Cut 2 green limes in half. Cut 2 ripe avocados. Make sure they are ripe and soft. Never use avocados that are hard or that still look green on the outside. To remove the seed of the avocado, use your knife to grab the seed and rotate the knife to pull off the seed, like this. Now, place all the tomatillos in your blender. Add the onions that you previously prepared and 2 peeled cloves of garlic. Add the juice of 2 medium limes, and that is all the liquid that you're gonna use. Blend well all the ingredients until you have a smooth, liquid sauce. Add the peppers and blend them again until smooth. Now add the cilantro with the stems. Many people discard the stems of the cilantro, but all the flavor of the cilantro is really in the stems, so don't ever discard them again. Blend everything again and you should see your sauce getting a deep green color like this one. Before proceeding, check your sauce. It should look smooth like this one. Now, use a spoon to place the 2 avocados in the blender. And add salt to taste. At least 1 tablespoon of salt. Blend everything together again. The avocados will make your sauce very creamy and delicious. In the end, try out your sauce and add more salt if your sauce needs it. Your green sauce should look like this one. The consistency needs to be creamy and not runny at all. You can use it on your favorite recipes like any tacos, quesadillas, or any Mexican dish. Or do what I usually do. I make this grilled sandwich with my signature sourdough bread. With refried beans, grilled beef, and mozzarella cheese. And a lot of this sauce. This green sauce makes everything better. I know you and your family will love it. And you will have friends calling you to prepare more for them once they try it out. And the best part is that it is so easy to make. Enjoy! I really hope that you can make this green sauce, or as we call it in Mexico, salsa verde. If you like this video, please click in the like button. And if you haven't subscribed, please subscribe. I have a new recipe every week. Thank you for watching.